so Miran, today I am going to tell you how I personally use my flying hours productively. So this is altogether a separate story because I keep on getting this question a lot of times, like my flight hours are long, like I'm flying to Los Angeles and it's like a 17 hours flight and it's kind of boring. I absolutely disagree how it's a boring flight. I absolutely loved the flight to Los Angeles, New York, because those flights are really long, like 17 hours, 18 hours of flight, and those are like the power game hours for me. And this thing has traveled with me like all over the world. This diary and this pen, it has been traveling all over the world with me. It has been to Dubai, it has been to Greece, it has been to Los Angeles, it has been to New York, it has been to Beijing, it has been to Thailand, it has been to Sydney. Like, it has been traveling all over with me. And the reason I keep on traveling with a diary while on the flight is, I'm going to explain right now. So I know many of the people hate long hour flights, but I personally love getting a flight which is long, like 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. 17 hours was the longest flight and absolutely loved it. I remember when I was traveling all the way to Los Angeles last year, I guess. So the last 17 hours I completely used it writing to this diary and other diary. That other diary which is already full, the two travel times the diary was completely full, and this time I again got the same diary and I've used like, I guess, 20 pages for last two of my travel. The same diary is already over. So the thing how I use my diaries is, in the flights there are no distraction, like no Facebook, no WhatsApp, no one is able to call you, no one is able to get in touch with you, absolutely no distraction, and no internet connection. That is the best thing. Even if there is an internet connection in the US flights, it's way too slow or just too much low data. Anyways, it's of no use. So once you have just disconnected from the internet and all of the connectivity, no WhatsApp, no Facebook, no friends, no office, no one is able to connect to you. Basically, you can have all the concentration right into your growth strategies, plans. What I always do is, I just, before getting a flight ticket booked, it's like I have a travel schedule for May and I've already planned, like on that, those two flying hours, I mean the flying dates, what I'm gonna plan that day. It's already planned in this diary. So during those two flying days, I will be writing those things, getting those things done, planning those things. So those flying hours are like golden hours for you. You do not have to waste like watching a movie, listening to a lot of songs and trying to get to know some kind of stranger sitting next to you. You can really use this time productively, and the only way to do it is carry a diary. This is the most old school method, carrying a diary. Or you can also use your phone notes. I mean, that is okay. I do not like getting a lot of things into notes. Too much of internet, too much of phones doesn't work for me anyways. So I always get a diary with me, keep on writing. You can find almost everything written on this diary. I would not be able to show it to you because it's kind of personal, and anyways, it's of no use to you because it's all about my stuff, my companies, my businesses. I keep on planning about it, how to do it, how to fix something, how to achieve something, how to grow something, how to fix, learn, teach the more good things about it to our businesses, staff, teams, how to nurture the teams, how to get new products, services online. So there is a lot of things you can really plan while traveling, and when you're alone, no connectivity to internet, no one trying to disturb you, you can really spend that time productively, and the flying hours are the best time. So basically this thing has been traveling with me all throughout the world, and thankfully I was able to get this same diary again. I had got this from Home Depot from San Francisco in 2016. Then I again got it in New York in 2017, and it's almost like half of that diary is already filled. Maybe next year it's going to get filled. I mean, maybe by September or October, then I will be getting the same diary again. I love this diary, and the title, My Little Book of Big Ideas. I guess it sounds good. Yeah, so that's all about it. Basically, you just need to plan, and it's not about hitting your flying hours. You can really use your flying hours productively. You just have to plan it, and you just have to schedule things which you will be doing while traveling during your next trip. It can really be useful. Even if it's a vacation, you can also plan your vacation. Like I have a travel coming up in May, and I have completely not accepted any kind of work because this time I want to enjoy myself, have the road trip, have fun during my road trip. So basically what I'm gonna do is during the flying hours, I'm gonna plan the scripts for my vlogs, YouTube stuff. So once I'm there, it's already ready. I will just go ahead, shoot and get those vlogs online. So that's the whole plan about using the flying hours productively. So if you have got any question, just let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time.